I think the quickest way of doing this question is to work out how much each of them drink in 10 days. So Charlie will drink 10 times a third, which is 10 over 3, which is 3 and a third cartons in 10 days. Meanwhile, Jasmine, and this is why this method really works well, I think, okay, because 10 times 2 fifths, actually the 10 and the 5 partially cancel, and I'm left with 2 times 2, which is 4. You can do it the longer way by doing 10 times 2, which is 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So Jasmine drinks 4 cartons essentially in 10 days. So in total, they're going to have drunk 7 and 1/3 cartons in 10 days. They buy just enough cartons to last them for 10 days. Well, they can't have just bought 7 cartons, so they must have bought 8 cartons. And then we're basically there. We've got that the cost of a carton is 70p, so it's going to be 8 times 70p, which is 560 pence. You can divide through by 100, it gives £5.60. Okay, I think that's the quickest way of doing this question. The other way you could do it would be you could add the fractions, so you could do a third plus 2 fifths, use a common denominator of 15, so 5 over 15 plus 6 over 15 is 11 over 15. It's not very nice, this. And then do 10 times 11 over 15, which is 110 over 15. And if you work that out, you'd get 7 and a third. And then you'd have to go for the same method from there. I think this is a bit more complicated because you're having to add fractions and the like, but it could work. Anyway, final answer there,